Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte Bleakley, coming to you from near London. If you were at InnovateEDU last year, you might remember me. It's my job to make sure that digital education appears less like, well, this. All this, still a bit terrifying to me. And, well, more like this. Although I always think that I prefer this, especially if the castle has a giant library in it. And for those of you who haven't met yet, I do wear quite a few different hats. Not only am I the Trusted Digital Learning Lead, but I'm also a media and English teacher at Roding Valley High School in Essex, right next to London. Whether I'm teaching 11 to 18-year-olds in the classroom or leading digital strategy, my focus is always the same. How do we use tools like Google and Canva to actually make teaching better? As a Google certified innovator and a Canva ambassador, I'm obsessed with finding those light bulb moments where tech makes our lives easier and our students' lives a little brighter. This year, I'm bringing 3 hands-on workshops that lean into everything I've been working on since we last spoke. Workshop 1, Revolutionize Your Classroom with Google and Gemini. We'll be exploring how Gemini Education Suite can handle your admin, quizzes, and differentiation, so you can actually get your Sunday afternoons back. This session will also give you a chance to demo the paid-for versions of Google Workspace for Education. I'll also be showing you how to use Google Read-Along to support reading fluency. Read-Along is an incredible tool that gives students instant, non-judgmental feedback, helping them build confidence at their own pace. I'll also be showing you Class Tools, which allows you to share your screen, see the student screens, all in live time, and monitor and manage their use of one-to-one devices. Workshop 2, Welcome to Vibe Coding, Building Interactive Tools with Canva and Gemini. This is literally the future. We'll use Canva and Gemini AI to design beautiful interfaces and Google Sites to host the creations. You'll leave having built your own interactive tool without writing a single line of complex code. We can now design what we want for free. We don't have to pay third-party software for the tools that we need in our classroom. My third workshop bridged the gap with NotebookLM and AI tutors. This is the one for most vulnerable learners, the ones who may not be in attendance all that much. And it draws on Fisher and Frey's 2021 research into this thing called gradual release of responsibility. We're going to be looking at how AI can act as a more knowledgeable other. Using the power of Gemini Gems, I will be showing you how to build your own personal AI assistant that can help your students one-to-one, a teaching with me in 30 places at once. From our own experience, I will be sharing you and building with you our own AI platforms for our students. And the other tool that we will be exploring is NotebookLM. Separate to Gemini, you can build a system where you have all of your resources that you trust, that you've built, and share them with your students through Google Classroom. Turning on Learning Guide allows them to have that personalized feedback as well, and a ton of resources at their fingertips that you've designed like that. Your hero's journey awaits. And which path will you choose? Will you revolutionize your classroom with Google Workspace, unleash your inner creator and developer, or empower every single learner? Innovation isn't about the gadgets. We owe it to our students to be at the top of our game, exploring what's possible together. So book your tickets and I'll see you in Cape Town for InnovateEDU 2026. Bye.